Hey, health hustlers! Welcome back to the channel where we keep you fit and fabulous amidst the hustle of daily life. Today we're diving into the world of spices and herbs, nature's little powerhouses that can supercharge your health in ways you wouldn't believe. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, improve digestion, or just add a burst of flavor to your meals, these tiny but mighty ingredients have got you covered. So why should you incorporate more spices and herbs into your daily routine? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the benefits. Herbs and spices are not just flavor enhancers, they're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs. For example, this bright yellow spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps fight chronic inflammation, supports heart health, and even boosts brain function. Ginger, a spice with a spicy kick and a ton of benefits. Ginger aids digestion, reduces nausea, and has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Perfect for keeping your tummy happy. Cinnamon. This sweet and warming spice helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it great for those midday energy slumps. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants. Oregano and basil. These herbs aren't just for Italian dishes. Oregano has antibacterial properties and basil is rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Both are great for boosting your immune system. Alright, let's hustle up some health with these simple recipes. Turmeric smoothie ingredients: 1 cup almond milk, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon honey, and a pinch of black pepper. Instructions: blend all the ingredients together until smooth. Black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric, so don't skip it. This smoothie is great to kickstart your morning with an anti-inflammatory boost. Ginger-infused water ingredients: fresh ginger slices, 1 lemon, and 1 liter of water. Instructions: add the ginger and lemon slices to the water and let it infuse for at least 30 minutes. Sip on this throughout the day for a refreshing and digestion-friendly drink. Cinnamon overnight oats. Ingredients: half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey, a handful of nuts. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a jar, give it a good shake, and leave it in the fridge overnight. Wake up to a ready-made breakfast that keeps your blood sugar stable and your energy high all morning. Herbed olive oil. Ingredients: half a cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, a pinch of salt. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a bottle and use this herbed oil as a dressing for salads, drizzling over roasted veggies, or dipping bread. This is a quick way to add a burst of flavor and nutrients to any meal. Incorporating these spices and herbs into your daily life doesn't have to be complicated. Start small, add a pinch here, a sprinkle there, and soon enough, it'll become a natural part of your routine. Remember, it's the little changes that make a big impact on your health, so why not spice up your life? Thanks for joining me today, Health Hustlers. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. And if you have your own favorite spice or herb that you swear by, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video.